Kadiri, a town steeped in history, rests quietly in the heart of Andhra Pradesh, India. This ancient town whispers tales of bygone eras, its legacy etched in stone and song. Kadiri's history stretches back centuries, its roots entwined with dynasties and empires. The town's name itself speaks of its storied past, believed to be derived from Kadgagiri, meaning sword mountain in Sanskrit. Legend has it that this name commemorates a fierce battle where swords clashed and heroes rose. Over the centuries, Kadiri has been a place of pilgrimage, a center of learning and a witness to the ebb and flow of history. The town's historical significance is most prominently displayed in its architectural marvels. These structures stand as testaments to the artistry and craftsmanship of bygone eras. Kadiri's historical tapestry, woven with threads of legend, religion and resilience, continues to captivate all who tread its ancient paths. Kadiri's spiritual aura is palpable, emanating from its numerous temples that dot the landscape. Each temple, with its unique charm and historical significance, contributes to the town's mystical atmosphere. The air is thick with devotion and reverence, as if the very ground is imbued with centuries of prayers and rituals. These ancient shrines, each with its own unique story, attract devotees and history enthusiasts alike. Pilgrims come from far and wide, seeking blessings and solace, while historians and archaeologists are drawn to the rich tapestry of legends and architectural marvels. Among the most revered is the Sri Lakshmi Narasimha Swami Temple, a magnificent structure dedicated to Lord Vishnu. This temple stands as a beacon of faith and devotion, its grandeur and serenity captivating all who visit. The temple's architecture, a testament to the Vijayanagara architectural style, is characterized by intricate carvings and towering gopurams. These elements not only showcase the artistic prowess of the era, but also tell stories of divine intervention and celestial beauty. Another prominent landmark is the Kadiri Lakshmi Narasimha Swami Temple, perched atop a hill and offering breathtaking panoramic views of the town. The temple's elevated position symbolizes a closer connection to the divine, providing a serene escape from the hustle and bustle below. Local lore is intertwined with these sacred sites. Each stone and carving whispers tales of ancient times, of gods and heroes, of battles fought and won. Tales of gods and goddesses, of miracles and sacrifices have been passed down through generations, adding to the mystical aura of Kadiri. These stories are not just myths, but are considered sacred truths by the locals. These legends, often narrated by the town's elders, breathe life into the past, connecting the present generation to its rich heritage. The oral tradition keeps the history alive, ensuring that the wisdom and lessons of the past are not forgotten. Kadiri's temples and legends are not merely relics of the past, they're living embodiments of faith, history and cultural identity. They continue to inspire and guide the people, serving as a constant reminder of their roots and the timeless values they uphold. Kadiri is located in the Anantapur district of Andhra Pradesh, a region that stands as a testament to the enduring spirit of nature and humanity. Known for its semi-arid landscape, the town is nestled amidst a rugged terrain that tells a story of resilience and adaptation. Here, rocky outcrops and low-lying hills define the horizon, creating a dramatic and awe-inspiring vista. The land, though seemingly harsh and unforgiving, possesses a stark beauty that captivates the eye. The red soil, baked by the relentless sun, contrasts sharply with the azure sky, creating a visual spectacle that is both mesmerizing and humbling. The region's climate is characterized by scorching hot summers and mild winters, with rainfall being a precious and often scarce commodity. Despite these challenging conditions, life finds a way to persist and flourish. The landscape is dotted with hardy shrubs and trees, their roots clinging tenaciously to the dry, unforgiving earth. This resilience in the face of adversity is a defining characteristic of Kadiri's landscape, showcasing nature's incredible ability to adapt and survive. It mirrors the spirit of its people who have learned to thrive in harmony with their environment. The beauty of Kadiri's landscape lies not in lush greenery, but in its raw, untamed essence, a testament to nature's ability to thrive even in the harshest of environments. This unique beauty and resilience make Kadiri a place of profound inspiration and wonder. The flora and fauna of Kadiri have adapted to thrive in this semi-arid environment, showcasing a remarkable array of survival strategies. The region is home to a variety of drought-resistant plants, their leaves often modified to reduce water loss. These adaptations are crucial for their survival, allowing them to conserve water and endure long periods of drought. Trees like the neem and tamarind with their deep roots are a common sight, providing much-needed shade in the scorching heat. Their extensive root systems allow them to access water deep underground, making them resilient to the harsh conditions. The hardy acacia, with its thorny branches, is another example of nature's resilience. These trees not only survive but thrive, offering shelter and food to various animals. The fauna too reflects the challenges and beauty of the environment. Each species has evolved unique traits to cope with the scarcity of water and extreme temperatures. Animals like the blackbuck, an antelope known for its speed and agility, have adapted to survive with minimal water. Their ability to run swiftly helps them escape predators and find food across vast distances. Birds like the Indian roller, with its vibrant plumage, add splashes of color to the landscape. Their presence is a reminder of the diverse life that thrives even in the harshest conditions. The Indian grey hornbill, with its distinctive call, is another fascinating inhabitant of this region. These birds play a crucial role in the ecosystem, helping to disperse seeds and maintain the balance of the environment. Life in Kadiri's arid landscape is a constant struggle for survival, yet the flora and fauna serve as a testament to nature's remarkable ability to adapt and flourish even in the face of adversity. Their resilience and ingenuity are a source of inspiration, demonstrating the incredible power of life to persist against all odds. Section 5. Cultivating Hope Agriculture in Kadiri's Embrace. Agriculture in Kadiri is a testament to human resilience and ingenuity. Farmers here have, over generations, developed sustainable farming practices that work in harmony with the environment. Millets, known for their drought tolerance, are a staple crop, their cultivation deeply intertwined with the cultural fabric of the region. Pulses, another important source of nutrition, are also cultivated, their nitrogen-fixing properties enriching the soil. Farmers in Kadiri have a deep understanding of the land and its limitations. They practice water conservation techniques, such as rainwater harvesting, to make the most of the limited water resources. The use of organic fertilizers and pest control methods further minimizes the impact on the fragile ecosystem. Despite the challenges posed by the arid climate, agriculture in Kadiri is a source of sustenance, livelihood, and hope, a testament to the enduring bond between humans and the land. Section 6. Rural Vistas, a tapestry of serenity and simplicity. Venturing beyond the town's limits, one encounters the serene rural vistas that define Kadiri's surroundings. The landscape unfolds like a patchwork quilt, with fields of millet and pulses interspersed with small villages and hamlets. Life here moves at a slower pace, dictated by the rhythms of nature. The air is filled with the sounds of birdsong and the gentle rustling of leaves. The simplicity of rural life is both refreshing and humbling. Villages, often clustered around ancient banyan trees, offer glimpses into traditional lifestyles. Mud houses with their thatched roofs blend seamlessly with the environment. The warmth of the people, their hospitality, and their deep connection to the land are immediately apparent. Exploring these rural landscapes, one can witness the true essence of Kadiri, a place where life is deeply intertwined with nature. Section 7. Festivals of Kadiri, a celebration of spirit and tradition. Kadiri comes alive during its festivals, a kaleidoscope of colors, music, and dance. These celebrations are not merely events, but expressions of faith, joy, and community spirit. One of the most important festivals is the Brahmotsavam, celebrated with great fervor at the Sri Lakshminara Simha Swami temple. The temple is adorned with lights, and the air reverberates with devotional songs and the rhythmic beat of drums. Another significant festival is Ugadi, the Telugu New Year, which marks the beginning of spring. Homes are decorated with mango leaves, and special dishes are prepared to welcome the new year. These festivals, passed down through generations, are a testament to the enduring cultural heritage of Kadiri. They offer a window into the soul of the community, showcasing its traditions, beliefs, and the importance of collective celebration. Section 8. Experiencing Kadiri, a journey for the senses. A visit to Kadiri is a journey for the senses. The aroma of incense from ancient temples, the taste of traditional Andhra cuisine, the vibrant colors of festivals, the sounds of nature and celebration. All these elements come together to create an unforgettable experience. Exploring the historical sites, one can delve into the town's rich past, marveling at the architectural grandeur of its temples. The tranquility of the rural landscapes offers a welcome respite from the hustle and bustle of city life. Interacting with the local people, one can experience the warmth of their hospitality and gain insights into their way of life. Kadiri offers a unique blend of history, spirituality, and natural beauty. It is a place where one can reconnect with their spiritual side, appreciate the resilience of nature, and witness the enduring power of tradition. Section 9, Kadiri, where heritage and nature converge. Kadiri stands as a testament to the harmonious coexistence of heritage and nature. Its ancient temples, steeped in history and legend, share the landscape with resilient flora and fauna. The people of Kadiri, with their deep respect for tradition and their sustainable way of life, serve as custodians of this unique heritage. Kadiri is a reminder that even in the face of adversity, life finds a way. It is a place where the past and present intertwine seamlessly, offering valuable lessons for the future. A visit to Kadiri is not just a journey to a destination, it is a journey into the heart of India's cultural and natural tapestry.